Hi and welcome to Cebuano News. Here are the top 10 best universities in Cebu. At number 10 is University of Southern Philippines Foundation Incorporated. USPF boasts a diverse program of offerings, a highly competent teaching force and complete facilities to ensure that its students receive quality instruction and skill-based education. Today USPF has a growing population of international students. For over 60 years as a university and 90 years as an academic institution, the University of Southern Philippines Foundation has served the nation by producing professionals in different fields of specialization, thereby making USPF true to its commitment. At number 9 is SIU Technological University. SIU Technological University is a sectarian, coeducational, state-funded higher education institution. The university, since its founding in 1911, was also previously known as Cebu Trade School, Cebu School of Arts and Trades, and Cebu State College of Science and Technology until, in 2009, by the virtue of Republic Act 9744, it was converted into a state university and assuming the name SIU Technological University. At number 8 is Cebu Institute of Technology University. Cebu Institute of Technology University is a private non-sectarian academic institution in Cebu City. The university provides basic and higher education with a foundation in general and technological education. The university was known simply as Cebu Institute of Technology until 2010 when it has attained university status. At number 7 is University of Cebu. Non-sectarian, coeducational basic and higher education institution in Cebu City, Philippines. It was founded in 1964 offering preschool, grade school, junior and senior high school. At number 6 is University of the Visayas. The University of the Visayas has grown into an 8-campus, province-wide system of higher education and lower-level laboratory schools. The university currently offers 24 bachelor's degree programs, most of which start with ladderized associate degree courses, a postgraduate Bachelor of Laws, 7 master's degree programs, and 4 doctoral programs in various fields. At number 5 is Cebu Institute of Medicine. Cebu Institute of Medicine is the leading medical school not just in Cebu but in the whole Philippines. At number 4 is Southwestern University. Southwestern University is recognized in the region as a leader in medicine, dentistry, and allied health programs. Now named Southwestern University FINMA under FINMA Education since April 2015, the university aims to enable students to become the best that they can be by providing practice-focused, relevant, hands-on learning and creating an empowering and vibrant student life and community. It builds on its expertise and extends these to new and other programs. At number 3 is SIU Normal University. CNU is designated by the Commission on Higher Education as Center of Excellence in both nursing education and teacher education. It was then called Cebu Normal School and later became Cebu Normal University. At number 2 is University of San Jose Recoletos. Private Catholic research and coeducational basic and higher education institution run by the Order of Augustinian Recollects. It was founded by the Augustinian Recollects in 1947. In 2019, the school bought a property in Ormoc City and plans for constructing a campus there are on the talks, and that would be the first campus of the institution to be situated outside the island of Cebu. The best university in Cebu is University of San Carlos. The University of San Carlos is a private, Catholic, research, coeducational basic and higher education institution administered by the Philippine Southern Province of the Society of the Divine Word Missionaries. USC has 5 campuses with combined land area of 88 hectares or 217 acres. The university is certified with the International Standards Organization, ISO, Quality Management System for Institutional and Student Support Services as of April 2022 by the British Standards Institution International. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, follow and subscribe for more updates.